Present?
I got a gift for you.
What is it?
This is Malaysia traditional. Malaysia
Really?
traditional wear. Batik.
Batik?
Yeah, you must wear it. You will know batik.
Yo, chat, should I wear the batik?
Yeah, you should wear it. Hey, I love you, Speed.
Thank you.
I
Love you too.
Come have a selfie.
Okay.
All right.
Batik. Batik is from Indonesia. You can search. All right, chat, let's look it up, bro. Where is batik from? Where is batik from? Okay, I keep spamming this. Batik originated in Indonesia. Why it says batik originated in Indonesia? On
Batik,
Google.
there are two types. The one that they give you is floral. Floral abstract is Malaysia. Indonesia is animal. The picture of animal.
Flowers and shit.
Fauna.
Look up Indonesia batik.
Bro, I looked up where's batik from.
Batik is Malaysian.
So batik is Malaysia?